Each day, March by Amazon will review products that haven't sold within the first 365 days of being published. If a product has at least one sale in the previous 365 days, it won't be removed.
What? It means your design will not be live if it doesn't get the sale. So you have to manage at least for a sale in a year. For getting sales from Amazon, your product listing should be well optimized. After seeing this video, you don't need to go further anywhere to know how you can optimize your March by Amazon listing. You just need to sit tight and watch this entire video with proper attention. Because I'm gonna talk about what is the keyword for March by Amazon, how many types of keywords are there, how does Amazon work on your keyword, from where you can get your keywords, and how can you organize your keywords in a perfect way to optimize your product listings. So this complete package will give you a lot of value and no one is talking on this. Let's dive into the video. Customer search terms that allow Amazon to help find their relevant products is the keyword. For your success, you need to know what keywords are being searched for and use those keywords perfectly. Customers are searching their desired products with two different types of keywords. One is short tail keywords and another is long tail keywords. If I search with camping t-shirt, that is a short tail keyword, but if I add some more words for searching like camping with dog vintage dad t-shirt, then this is a long tail keyword. It means long tail keywords have more than one or two words. This short tail keyword gives more search result, but this long tail keyword will be more specific with fewer search results. For narrowing down your niche research and getting sales, you should focus more on these long tail keywords. For product listing, there are also other types of keywords that you need to consider, and I will talk about those later in this video. When a customer types a search phrase in the Amazon search bar, then the Amazon algorithm looks for that keyword in product title, brand, and bullet point. Then it shows the most relevant products which have that particular keywords. Amazon also looks for sales number as well as customer reviews. More sales numbers will help you show up your product on top for that specific keyword. Amazon also indexes your products for some particular keywords. If customers search for that keyword and if your product is indexed for that keyword, then it is the highest possibility of showing up your product on the first page. You can check this by typing ASIN number plus the keyword. If your keyword is indexed by Amazon, then your product will appear in search result. So till now, after watching this video, you have a clear idea that this is all about keyword playing and your keywords are the matchmaker. I collect my product's keyword in three different ways. First of all, I use my common sense and I put myself in the customer's shoes, what I might type to search for the type of my specific design. Second, I took for bestsellers keywords, and for last, I use a research tool named March Informer. Suppose this is my design and I pick this topic after researching keywords in March Informer. Here it is showing for lesbian couple keyword. The competition scale is A. If you want to know how do I research niche and sellable long tail keywords, then you can see this video. Now, using my common sense from the buyer's perspective, I will randomly write some relevant keywords that come to my mind for this design. Okay, I wrote these keywords for this design. Rainbow, better together, lesbian girlfriend, LGBTQ, colorful, lesbian pride, pride march, pride month, etc. Then I will look for some bestseller keywords for this design. I picked these three designs for this search term and I will look for what keywords they used for their designs. Okay, so for first design, I can see in their title name there is LGBT, lesbian couples, and there they added matching as a keyword also. And then I can see they also added I like her but the slogan from the design because it's very short. And in the brand name they also added LGBTQ, Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is also a great keyword because this shirt can be sold in Valentine's Day also. Then matching couples. So title and brand name, there are a lot of keywords. Let's look for bullet point. Pride party with your lesbian or bi girlfriend or wife. Then rainbow, colorful, LGBTQ and LGBTQ sexuality. Then lesbian love, gift for pride month, then cute, compliment gift, matching couple design, matching couple, it's also a good keyword. So there are a lot of keywords they just added for their brand name, title and bullet point. If I look at their description, the description part, okay, it's a good enough description. I think the length of the character, surprise your girlfriend and make a cute compliment gift on her has as with this I like her, but matching couple design. Okay, there are also a lot of keyword: LGBT, LGBTQ, rainbow, colorful, lesbian. Okay, so I can see they used many other keywords along with lesbian couple to help this design. I have collected all keywords from those three. Now I will research from March Informer keyword finder tool, and you will find this tool from this video description. Okay, this is March Informer tool, and in this tool under keyword research there is keyword finder. I went keyword finder, and then in keyword section I just typed lesbian couple and hit the search icon. Then this result has been shown. These are the keywords. Actually customers are searching with these terms, and there is the traffic value. Okay, so just let's explore these keywords and find out some new idea about the keywords, actually what are being searched. Okay, so lesbian couple gifts, Valentine's Day, then engagement gifts for couples, lesbian, matching couple. Okay, vintage lesbian couple shirts matching, lesbian gifts for couples. Okay, lesbian couple gifts chips, lesbian hoodies for couples, LGBTQ, lesbian for couples, wedding gifts for couples, lesbian couple gifts for girlfriend. This system as a result about 2157. Lesbian couple gift, couple matching, couple shirts lesbian, matching couples lesbian, lesbian stuffs for couples, lesbian gay couple matching. Okay, newlyweds gift for a couple lesbian, matching couple shirts lesbian. Okay, couples journal. Okay, so there are a lot of keywords. So from this list I will take this note and then write it down on my sticky note. Here in the sticky note I have collected all keywords from my Brainstorming, bestsellers and March Informer tool. There are some common keywords for each of my sources, so I need to rearrange this, and after rearranging I have organized all keywords in here for your better understanding. Here you can see the green color one, lesbian couple, is the primary keyword. This primary keyword is what I'm targeting for, and the red color is for related keywords. The related keyword is what people also use additionally to search for. It can be the synonym of my primary keyword or relevant to my design. Next, the blue color is for supporting keywords. Under supporting keywords, I can see some generic terms like cute, colorful, etc. For this kind of keyword, there is a huge traffic and people also love to use these terms when they search for products like cute rainbow lesbian couple t-shirt. In this way, this type of keywords will give you your product. To optimize your listing well, you must use all these primary, related and supporting keywords wisely. I have already written the title name, brand name, bullet point and description for saving time, and I'm explaining it now. Here you can see as title I wrote it, cute LGBTQ pride matching rainbow gift for lesbian couple better together. There are some tips from Amazon about writing title and it's in here. For sure I will not read the entire article now, but I will point out some main things from here. You can check this article later, the link has been shared in this video description. For your title, it's best to keep it fewer than 80 characters, including space. Capital is the first letter of each word except for prepositions. You should not write any word like hot item or bestsellers, and don't include your merchant name in titles like t-shirt, mug, hoodies, etc. For this title, it has 74 characters and I didn't add any merchant name. Also, I added all the important related keywords like LGBTQ, pride, matching, rainbow, etc. with my primary keyword lesbian couple. I also added the design slogan because it's short and people also searching with this term, better together. And for the brand name, I wrote lesbian couple for LGBTQ pride. This brand name is a combination of primary keyword and some important related keywords like LGBTQ and pride. And then lesbian couple. And this is my primary keyword, okay? So remember, brand name should not be so long as the title. It should be under 35 characters, and here brand name is only 30 characters. If your brand name is too long, then it will show unknown as a brand name. There is another thing you need to do right now. If you like this video, then please like this video so that I can get some appreciation to make some more contents for you guys in next. And thank you for your appreciation, and I mean this. Then for bullet point, I wrote, this cute rainbow lesbian couple design is perfect for Valentine's Day or LGBTQ Pride Month March. Purchasing this in pair for matching and expressing that you both are better together as lesbian girlfriend or wife and wifey is a wise call. This is a colorful design and perfect for just married lesbian couple and even for their honeymoon. This gay design focuses on all love, pride and no prejudice. If you can see, there are a lot of keyword like cute, rainbow, lesbian couple, then Valentine's Day. I have also included the event because this design can be sold on Valentine's Day for lesbian couple. Then LGBTQ Pride Month, March. Then I have also watched matching. Then I have also added better together, lesbian girlfriend or wife and wifey. Wife and wifey is also a hot search item. Then you can see here I added colorful, generic keyword. Then just married lesbian couple. It's also a keyword. Then honeymoon. Okay, for honeymoon they can also give their lesbian wife. Okay, so this gay design focuses on all love, pride and no prejudice. Love, pride and no prejudice, they can be also a good keyword. So you can see I added all my important keywords in the title section, brand name section and bullet point. So remember, Amazon algorithm doesn't look for keywords in the description part, and this doesn't rank your design on Amazon search page. So you might think, why do I need to write a description? Well, the reason is it will help your design to rank on Google search result, because Google algorithm also looks for keywords in the description. So why do you miss that chance? If you can optimize your every design in this way, then I'm pretty sure you can increase the chance of getting sales. But remember one thing, design quality also does matter, and you need to research always that actually people are searching for. Okay, please share with me in the comment section if I miss any point in this video, what you think to help your product better in optimization. You can also share me what other topics you want to learn. Good night.